This car has an awesome wheel lock on it, on these beautiful factory wheels. As you can see there. How do you get that off when you don't have the key? Because of course we don't have the key. So you just find a socket, and I'll let Kevin take it from here.
So we found a 22 mil socket that almost kind of fits. So we're gonna hammer it on. This is how we did it with the other side. And it worked impressively well, so hopefully this time it will work just as well while we're actually recording it. Try not to smash your fingers. Oh, it did loosen. Sweet.
Enough to get the thing off by hand.
So what had happened with the other one, it was stuck so much into the socket, I'd put a bolt and another one, pounded it down, didn't break a finger, got it out. Neat.
Just like that. Awesome. That saved us from having to go make a run to the parts store and buy a tool or rent a tool or whatever if we could get one and all that. And you can kind of see, let's see if I can get this thing to focus. You can kind of see the grooves that it puts into it with the socket. So there you go. Helpful trick. Hopefully this will help somebody.
Hopefully you won't need it.
Yeah, hopefully you won't need it, but you know, don't be using this to steal quality factory wheels or anything like that. But hope this helps somebody who has an issue. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.